right here. But I need. How much do I need?
Bro, should I buy another one?
Another one for what?
This for when I gotta do it. Oh, you're recording?
5.8 quarts, right? So.
Are you sure it's 5.8 quarts?
Yeah, it's definitely 5.8 quarts.
Oh shit. So what are we doing here, buddy?
Finding the oil pan. We got the oil. Then we get this one.
Well, that shit massive, dude.
Nah, I don't know.
Dude, only $10.
Oh, this is straight, huh?
Yeah, I think a buck is good. What are we doing today, buddy?
We're changing the oil for the FRS, rotating the tires, and finally got my plates in, so we're gonna be putting on the plates.
How long that take?
Hopefully like an hour.
No, I mean, how long it take for you to get plates?
Oh, like 4 months.
They're just holding that shit for a good minute. They never called them.
Yeah, so got the turbo first of all. No, I'm just kidding. This is the oil filter, not the air filter. Oil filter.
Genuine Subaru parts.
This is the oil filter tool.
Wrench.
A wrench to take it off.
Oil filter remover.
Oil filter remover. We got the gasket or the washer. All this stuff was around how much? It was really cheap. I think all this stuff was like 15 bucks at most.
And then show them the oil we using.
So we got oil pan, 0W20 fully synthetic Mobile 1. That's what everyone says to use for FRS, so just going with what everyone else uses.
Alright, well, let's get this started.
Yep. Alright. Car is up. Yeah, so if you're changing the FRS oil, then you're gonna need a 14 mil socket.
Dude, it's so low.
Alright.
Like, no, you should have the pan like right underneath that shit. Get it, dude. Put some muscle in it. Hey, you're blocking the camera, dude. You gotta.
Bro, I'm scared I'm gonna break it.
You're not gonna break that shit, dude.
Are you sure?
You're weak.
Oh shit, you might need to get under here, dude. Bro, there's no way.
Make sure you're pushing it counterclockwise.
What the fuck?
Kind of a bad angle.
Am I bitch made or is this shit like factory tight?
I think you're bitch made.
I can't fucking. It's the angle, bro.
Alright, let me try that shit.
Alright.
Ah. Hold on, dude. Like this shit. I don't want to strip the bolt either.
That's what I'm saying. I was stripping it. I think we should jack it higher. See, I know bitch, dude. This is.
Oh shit.
I know bitch.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I'm a bitch.
You really are.
It's hot. It's hot.
I'm not bitch made, dude. I'm gonna drop the bolt. Oh shit. Dude, this shit fucking. Your bolt is fucking full of oil now.
Dude, is that bucket enough?
Oh shit. Yo, we didn't look at how much quarts the bucket can hold. Hey, my dude.
Dude, what do I do?
Hey.
Oh shit.
Go grab another bucket, bro.
Yeah, use the trash can. Oh fuck, dude.
I think we're good for now, but dude, that shit's not gonna fucking turn.
Cool. Show them the oil, dude. It's about to leak.
Who's a bitch? I'm showing them the bitch.
Oh, this shit's hella loose, bro.
Alright, so the oil's pretty much finished draining.
Yeah, like, so I listened to it a lot and John took it off because,
Yeah, he couldn't get that shit to budge, but now,
acne, so.
now we're gonna remove the filter.
Yeah, this shit's hella loose already.
Hold on. Oh yeah, you're doing it right.
Fucking vertical.
Don't do it vertical, bro.
That shit was
That see, that's how it should be. Remember my shit?
Yeah.
Holy fuck, that thing was hard.
It was hot.
Boom, baby.
Dude, it's just hot. Holy.
Boom. All right, put the new one on, bro. Did you get a Subaru genuine part?
Yeah. OEM, dude.
Look at the label. Let me see the part number, dude. This is what you need.
On Amazon.
Y'all can read that, right? 803916010.
Alright, we got the new gasket on. Gonna clean the area before I put it back on though.
Oh, bro, you're supposed to do that shit. Look, it's about to drip, dude. Hey, my man, get under there. Hurry up. Wipe that floor before your mama yells at you, and then wipe the thing and plug it up. Here, you're gonna need that shit too. You're gonna need that shit too. Plug that bitch. And then screw it on. And then you can wipe around it again. Just to make sure there's no leaks after.
Using a clean towel to clean the oil filter place right here. So you guys gotta be careful and only get around this area right here.
What area? Hold on.
Like the inner area.
Get it?
Because if you do the outside, that stuff is really bad if it gets inside. So you should only be clean like very inside. Yeah, you don't want to mess with this stuff right here. Because supposedly it's really bad for the filter. Alright. It's pretty good. I think you also gotta be careful when you're putting this back on too.
Make sure you're putting that shit on straight. See, that shit was supposed to cover the entire circumference of that, dude.
Yeah, this looks way better than the one that I had it on.
I'm looking at what you're doing, bro.
Okay, that's yeah,
Alright, yeah.
That's good.
This motherfucker. Yeah, I can loosen this shit in my hand.
Yeah, can't loosen it with my hand anymore.
Alright.
I'm just gonna pour a little bit first and then check the plug.
Well, I mean, it can hold 5.8, so I would pour that whole thing. Because that's the whole 5 cord. Oh, yeah, you can check that.
Yeah, that was really easy.
Yeah, except that bolt, huh?
Alright, oil change is done. Got my license plate today, so we'll do that later, but we're gonna rotate the tires now. Because I got these tires about 2 months ago. They're brand new. Kumos. Yeah, this is gonna be a bitch.
Wish your boys luck. That shit's fucking full. That shit flimsy. Like, we should hold it from 4 ends.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Alright. Alright, start pouring, baby. Oh, not that fast, dude, not that fast. My dude. You just go slow, dude.
Cleaned it.
You stained it, dude. And we only got 2 shots in.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do one side at a time.
You did this one, right?
Yeah. So right now we're just gonna break every bolt, because if you try and take your tire off while it's in the air, that shit's just gonna spin. So we're just breaking it now, and then we're gonna jack it up.
That deadlift form, dude. See, when I'm under the car, I just deadlift form.
Yeah. Because you're used to CrossFit and shit, where you use your entire body. Alright.
Look at these look at this tread, dude.
Alright, so we just finished rotating the fronts, and now Patrick's gonna try and jack up the car for his first time, and we're gonna rotate the other side. The right side.
Rotated all tires. Final steps.
Play, baby. Hey, you only need one screw, dude. Let's go. Hey, don't do it too much. You're gonna strip that shit.
Hell yeah.
Dunzo.
Feels
Dunzo, baby.
good. Finally.
Dude, new rear end, dude. Who needs a new like diffuser or exhaust when the biggest change to your rear end is your license plate?
Stay tuned for the future. I'm about to get the pink breast cancer awareness license plate.
We're queer.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna get that. No one has that. John once again driving the car after. Whoa, dude. After a couple of hours working on the car. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys a quick oil change, wheel rotation, and then finally got my plates. So that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys next time. I might be getting some tint for my headlights, so that might be the next video. But until then, see you. Alright, so we were rotating the front and back tires, so might as well add some camber. So
We didn't tell you, but he actually got a camber kit. Look at that shit, dude.
we're actually at -5 right now.
Dude, that shit looking sick, dude.
What's that fit me, dude?
Dude. Total flushness. Perfect wheel gap. Like, you can barely fit your fingers in there. Just barely.
It's like a line of it.
Yeah. Sick, dude.
Sick camber.